Yo, what's good, guys? You guys are gonna be with me while I make this. In the meantime, it is finally the start of the 3 months. Well, it already was. You guys already know that, but like the actual start now, because Eid is done, Ramadan is done. The 3 months begins. So today, I woke up late because I never slept this long in so long, or I think sleep just caught up with me for like sleeping only 2 to 4 hours a night because of Ramadan and just like working. So I slept at Maghrib is usually at 7:30. I slept at like 6, I want to say. And then I didn't wake up till 12 p.m. today. So you do the math. So 6 to 12, that's what? 4? No, that's 6 to 12 is what? My brain is not working. That's 6. Yeah, 6. What the hell? I'm tripping. 6 hours plus till 12. Dang, that's what, 18 hours of sleeping? So I was tired. Like my brain's not functioning nothing right now. But right now we're having salmon. This is about, what is it? 23 and 23. That is 46 grams of protein plus this milk. I'm gonna drink milk, not all of it, of course, but a cup of this with the protein powder. This is gonna be total with that 78 grams of protein. This is all just really lean, so I might have like a banana or some nuts as some like good fats and carbs. So there's that. But it is now officially, like I've said, the 3 month mark. So I'm super excited to see where I'll be in this next 3 months, because obviously y'all seen the goals from the first video. If you have, I'm not like where I need to be. So in that time, because I would focus on one thing, another, and now it's just really one. Now it's a clear-cut goal, and it always has been, but like I'm having an accountability sheet, I guess you can say, that I see every day. Even though I already had it, this one's like a challenge. So like I kind of forced myself to have to go knock those days out and see if I touch my goal. So that I'm pretty excited about. That's like technically, I guess you could say, is different. So yeah, we're going to use this, just a regular jar, and put it on. I think it said, what is it? And I'm gonna be like really meticulous on this. Like calories, I'm not too worried about. Yeah, calories I'm not too worried about. Just because like I'll burn it off, and like I generally keep it low, of course, but I need a bulk, so the extra fat is gonna be fine. Let's see. Even though summer's coming, I don't really care. It's mainly focused on what the goal is. But okay, calories 130. This is what, 240 milliliters. So we're just gonna change the units. Milliliters. There we go. Is it the same thing? Yeah, ml. So I'm gonna grab the milk. And it's saying 240. So I'm just gonna pour it slowly. That's 270. Let's do 300. Oh, that's 4. No, let's do. Yeah, that should be good. 349. We can calculate that. That's maybe like what? 240 plus 240. That's what? 80. Ouch. That's 480. So that's 480, and we're at what? 340. So that's about, I want to say maybe 8 and 8, 16. So it's probably like 11 grams of protein, probably 12. So let's just say 11 here. And then where's my scoop? Oh, there it is. Boom. And this one's actually really good. I usually, for the protein powder I get this brand. This is my favorite brand right now. So it's the Golden Standard Whey Protein. I usually get the vanilla one because I generally do not like chocolate flavored. I love chocolate, don't get me wrong, but I don't like the chocolate flavored protein powder just because it just never tastes good. But I said, screw it, I'm gonna try it with this one, and I did, and it actually ended up tasting really good. So I'm not too mad about it. And it's like actually drinkable, because like the other one kind of got a little, the vanilla one, like it was good too, like I can mix it with a lot of stuff, but it kind of got a little too much of like the vanilla protein flavor, like it was too much at the same time. So I was like, not really with it. That's decently mixed well enough. Perfection. Let's see what calories are looking like. So calories, let's see. So 4 ounces is 230, 160. So that's what? 230 plus 160, 30 and 60, that'll be 90. 100, that's 390. It's 390. Plus the milk was what, 130, I think? 390. And then, so that's what, 30 plus 90, that is 10, 12. And then, so that's what, 2, or no, is it 390? So 420, I think. 420, yeah. 9, 10, 11, 12, yeah. 420. So maybe, yeah, it'd probably be 450, let's just say. And then protein powder, I think, is like 200. So 420. And then plus 120, that's 540. But with the 50, it'd be 570. 570 calories. See, it's a lot. Like, you gotta really start figuring out what it is. Milk is generally gonna be a lot. Protein powder is generally gonna be a lot. The cut of the fish. So I'll show you this. This cut, the bigger portion, that one is generally gonna be a lot lower for per ounce, and then this cut is actually a lot longer. So the cut is usually like this, and this whole cut, this is about maybe 8 ounces itself, and that's about 230 per 4 ounce. And then this one, this whole thing is just about 4 ounces. So it differs between the cuts. So I'm just gonna grab some lemon, a lime, some hot sauce, and this will be the first meal of the day. It is 1:03 p.m. I'm gonna grab some nuts as well, or maybe I'll just have it later on for another meal. I'll just eat just this, but we can talk while we're at it. Get some utensils really quickly. But yeah, so 30 days. What is gonna happen in my 30 days? Especially like if I'm playing soccer, if I'm playing soccer, if I am doing jiu-jitsu, if I'm playing tennis, whatever it is, right? If I have tennis or jiu-jitsu, or if I'm playing soccer, I'll just cut down on the amount I want to run, or if, depending on how much energy I put out into the whatever thing I was doing, I'll just stop that, right? So that's kind of what it'll look like, I guess, just so that I'm not overdoing it and not burning some gains on top of it. What else? So yeah, there's that. For now, past week I've been thinking of doing it only until yesterday, the day before. I just tried it out just because I had more time to look into it. But it is the AI ChatGPT 4.0 or 04, whatever it is, for images, and like how the images look more realistic. So I'm gonna start using that in the meantime for marketing until I do the photo shoot. So that's gonna be something that I'm looking forward to start messing around with. So I did like 2 prompts and it worked amazingly for the clothing brand. I'm gonna also add like probably I'm thinking of the logo that I have. So not the text logo, the image logo. That one I want to change it to more like Ralph Lauren's, how that's more like outlined, so that especially when it comes to the embroidery, it can just sit well. I can show that to you guys later. But yeah, that's the main stuff that's really going on so far. The rest of it is just like waiting for the iterations to come in. I have stuff coming in, like I said in the last video, on Tuesday. I have what's it called? Yeah, that's basically it. I have stuff on Tuesday coming. Not too much going on. I'm going to today do a little bit of that work for the images. If I can get ChatGPT 4, I know a friend who has it, who I use it from, but every couple of months I have to re-put the password in for some reason. But so there's that, and then I will be doing what's it called? I will be working on Social Sphere, so on that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be the main two focuses on today, and then working out, going for the run. I think today might just be a little recovery run, so maybe not so fast paced, but we'll see how I'm feeling. But other than that, let's kind of update. I might do a video where I do a full day of what I eat as I start getting more and more into it. But yeah, again, it's about 570 grams, 570 calories, 78 grams of protein. So it's pretty hefty. Fish is generally light for me. Protein shake is gonna be a quick, easy chug. Yeah, simple as that. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Assalamu alaikum.